everyone. Miss Corpus here. This is a how-to video on how to access Read and Write. It is an application or extension that is on your Chromebooks already. And it's a great little tool to be able to help you get through some material that you might have having to read on your own. So let's get started. Okay, so you may recognize this document from your last unit, but anytime that a teacher may share a Google Doc with you, this tool is available for you to use. So what you're going to be looking for is this purple puzzle piece that's at the top of your screen, and you're going to click on it, and down pops this toolbar. And notice there's several tools here, but what I'm showcasing is the Read Aloud tool. And it's fairly simple to use. All you really have to do is highlight whatever text you want to read, or put your cursor where you want to put it, and press this play button, very much like the play button that's like on an MP3 player, or like on Spotify or Pandora. You hit play.
Race, a grouping of humans based on shared physical or social qualities into categories generally viewed as distinct by society.
And it reads it out to you, and it highlights as you're reading. This may be helpful in this coming unit where you have some tougher readings to go. I know freshmen are reading Romeo and Juliet, and with it, you might have to read Shakespeare a couple of times to be able to really understand what's going on. But something else that I wanted to show you is that you can actually adjust the person who's reading to you, or the speed that it's reading to you. So you're going to go up to these three dots here, and you're going to hit options, and you can change the voice. This is something fun you can play with, but change the voice to something that you would want to listen to, and that helps you kind of process what is being said or what's being read out loud to you. So I'm using US English Tom. It gives you the countries because it adjusts like the voice to like an accent. And the other thing that's super helpful to you is to be able to change the speed, because we all process things a little bit differently. And so like my good reading speed so I can like process what's being said to me is 30 words per minute, and so that's why it's set at the 30. Well, not per minute, it's just the speed from 0 to 100. Okay. Another thing that this automatically is checked for you is this continuous reading. I don't like it being continuously read. I want to be able to choose what's being read so I can highlight and then press the play button. But that may not be you. So I would unclick that if that's something that you want. Okay. And I would just click OK to make sure my changes are saved, and then it adjusts accordingly. So that's Read and Write, the Read Aloud tool. But another thing that could be possibly helpful for you, especially if you're trying to read something like long lines of text, say like down here. I know that I lose track of what I'm reading sometimes, and so there's this thing called a screen mask that will highlight out what I want to read at that time. And again, you have options for that. Back to the options, it's screen masking is what the little tool is, and you have ability to change like what the background color is, what the reading light color is, and whatnot, and its opacity and the height and whatnot. So you can do that, and that's another cool little tool that you can use while reading some text that you might have on Google Docs. If you have any questions about any of that, please let me know. You will see my email and contact information on the next screen. All right, see you later.